Good morning students. In previous video we have done problem set number 19. Today we will do problem set number 20 and problem set number 21. Okay. This is problem set number 20. When you observe these fractions, you can see they are like fraction. Why? Because the denominators of all the fractions are same. You can see 5 5 7 7 12 12 etc. right? So how to add? We have to add here, right? So how to add like fractions? In like fraction we have to only add numerators. We don't need to add denominators. We have to add only numerators. Okay, so let's start. Question number 2, 3, 4 is cancelled. So I will directly do question number 5, 6 and then 8. Okay, because question number 7 and 9 also cancel. So now question number 5. Question number 5 is 3 by 15 plus 4 by 15. Now add numerators, that is 3 plus 4 and 15 will come as it is 15. We will not add denominators, right? Now 3 plus 4 is 7 and 15 will come as it is 15. Understood? This is our answer, 7 by 15. Now question number 6. 2 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 3 by 7. Now add them. Here also we will only add numerators. Okay, 2 plus 1 plus 3 and 7 will come as it is 7 only one time. Now 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6 and this is 7, so we get 6 by 7. Understood? Now question number 7 is cancelled, so we will do question number 8 directly. Question number 8 is 4 by 9 plus 1 by 9. Again we will add only numerators, 4 plus 1 and 9 will come as it is 9. Now 4 plus 1 is 5 and 9 will come as it is. So we get our fraction, that is 5 by 9. Understood? Question number 2. Mother gave 3 by 8 of one gava to Meena and 2 by 8 of the gava to Geeta. What part of the gava did she give them altogether? It means मदर ने मीना को 8 पार्ट में से 3 पार्ट गावा दी है और गीता को 8 पार्ट्स में से 2 पार्ट गावा दी है. So we have to find all together how much they get. Okay, for this we will add 3 by 8 and 2 by 8. Okay, so we will add 3 by 8 plus 2 by 8. Okay, this is of Meena and this is of Geeta. So we will not add denominator, we will write as it is 8. We will add only numerators, that is 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5 and this 8 will come as it is 8. So we get 5 by 8. This 5 by 8 part of gava given altogether. Understood? Question number 3. The girls of standard 5th cleaned 3 by 4 of a field while the boys cleaned 1 by 4. What part of the field was cleaned altogether? It means 5th class के बच्चों ने 4 पार्ट में से 3 पार्ट गर्ल्स ने क्लीन किया है और 1 पार्ट बॉयज ने क्लीन किया है. ओके, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड कि टोटल कितने पार्ट्स क्लीन हुए हैं. For this we will add both the fractions. Okay, so girls cleaned plus boys cleaned. So how much part girls clean? 3/4 plus, and boys 1/4. Add them. We will not add denominator, we will write as it is 4. We will add only numerators, that is 3 plus 4, right? So 3 plus 4 is 4, and this 4 will come as it is 4. Okay, now this is 4 and this is 4, so they will be cancelled. So we get 1 because 4 ones are 4 and 4 ones is 4, right? So we get 1. So it means full whole field cleaned altogether. Understood? We are done with problem set number 20. This is problem set number 21. In this we will do subtraction. Okay, here also all the fractions are like fractions. Okay, so again we will only subtract our numerators, not denominators. Okay, denominator will come as it is. So let's start. So first question is 5/7 minus 1/7. Okay, now we will only subtract numerator, means 5 minus 1, and 7 will come as it is 7. Okay, now 5 minus 1 is 4 and 7 will come as it is, so we get 4/7. Okay, question number 2, 3 and 4 and also 5 are deleted, so we will do directly question number 6. So question number 6 is 7/10 minus 3/10. Only subtract numerators, 7 minus 3, and 10 will come as it is. Now 7 minus 3 is 4 and 10 will come as it is, so we get 4/10. Now question number 7, 9/12 minus 2/12. So 9 minus 2 and 12 will come as it is. 9 minus 2 is 7 and 12 will come as it is, so we get our fraction, that is 7/12. Done. Now last question, that is question number 8, 10/15 minus 3/15. Here also we will only subtract numerators, that is 10 minus 3 and 15 will come as it is. Now 10 minus 3 is 7 and this is 15, so we get fraction 7/15. Done. Now question number 2, 7/10 of a wall is to be painted. Ramu has painted 4/10 of it. How much more needs to be painted? Okay, it means एक वॉल है, वो वॉल को 10 पार्ट में से 7 पार्ट पेंट करना है. ओके, बट रामू ने सिर्फ 4 पार्ट ही पेंट किया है. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड कि कितने पार्ट अभी बाकी है पेंट करने के लिए. ओके, फॉर दिस वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट. गॉट इट? Now we will subtract from wall to be painted minus wall painted. Okay, so wall to be painted is 7/10 minus wall painted 4/10. Right, now this is like fraction, so we will write denominator as it is, that is 10 Now subtract numerator, 7 minus 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3, and this 10 will come as it is, so we get 3 by 10. This is what? This is 3 by 10 more needs to be painted. Understood? We have done problem set number 21 also. Thank you.